Alright, bro. We back recording. Hold up. Let me see if I. Alright, I think we are recording. Recording. Alright, we on the 50K combine. I had a winning trade today. Plus 1200. We damn near almost top tick this before getting stopped out. Almost at break even. Um, but anyway, the trade was decent. I was trying to catch a reversal because my bias has been wrong the past couple of days for both um for NQ and ES. But even though I had a bullish bias, I still took a bullish trade, even though it didn't really show signs of bullishness towards before 9 a.m. But anyway, if we go to the 4 hour on this on MNQ, I'm just going to be recapping MNQ and not ES today because ES was just terrible. So I was thinking after the four, or let me go back, let me go to the daily. All right, here we go. So I'm thinking like I still thinking price is trying to get to this all-time high price up here. So like it's gonna want to push, right? And we open up bullish on the day, I'm pretty sure. And we're already creating higher highs. And I'm like on yesterday we already had that move lower to take out some liquidity over there on this candle. And so I'm thinking price is really just gonna push up with no signs of bull or bearishness to the downside. So that's why I was looking for buys. So I go to the 1 hour and hold up, let me mark out my market open. Um, it's around AM, 8 a.m. AM. Okay, so market opens on this candle. So I'm thinking as price like drops on this candle, I'm thinking we want to take out maybe liquidity down here because if it kept dropping so violently and I didn't have any. There were some entries for like moves to the downside, but I was still bullish for the day. I think that's one of my problems is I'm like still trying to I'm not flipping biases. I'm kind of getting married to one bias. And we also had this hourly fair value gap over here. So that's why I was still bullish. I'm thinking price is going to open up, respect this hourly fair value gap, and move to the upside, but it broke out of that fair value gap, and this is kind of where I wanted to switch biases, and I didn't switch biases because I still thought we were going to sweep this liquidity, and then move back up to the upside, um, but we didn't end up sweeping it, so I didn't know what to do, but I still mirrored my bias and was looking for longs. Looks like we retraced shit to this order block on the 15-minute down here. And then once we got in this order block from this move low, we decided to start going up. So let's go to my trade and why I took it. So if we go on a 5-minute trade, um, you can't really see it on here, but there was a imbalance. It was on the 1 minute chart, 1 minute imbalance. And since we were in this order block, it looks like uh maybe it acted as like a support zone. I didn't really see that while I was trading. I'm noticing it right now, and I had to do better of noticing. Like I feel like I have to be better in my technical analysis and whatnot. But so this is what I was looking at. So I was looking price went down, dropped all the way down in the dumps, and I was just looking for a reversal pretty much. I kind of like that 9 a.m. PO3 model, accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. I think that's what it's called, to the upside. Um, so anyway, we had this um accumulation up here, and then we had um okay, never mind, I can't find it. Accumulation, then we had uh manipulation to the downside, And then I looked for a 1 minute entry off this inverse fair value gap right here. Enter, we broke above the inverse fair value gap with stops below the imbalance. And we were so close to getting wicked out right here. And then after that, price pretty much just did its own thing. I think I moved my stop once price got up here and the break even and almost drew into break even, but I just kind of let the trade right out to hit my full TP for $1,200 up here in this BPR range over here. And that's where I took my take profit and I took it pretty much at a perfect area. But I think I took it more like down here. Actually, I was down here. So that was my trade for recap for today. It was a decent trade. Kind of went against what the markets were showing. Those markets were showing bearishness, but um, I still took the bullish trade and got lucky. I mean, trading is luck at the same time. You have to get lucky to win. And that's what happened. So decent setup and good trade. And hopefully record another video tomorrow. See ya.